can see, I'm on the high table. So in here I have onions, sliced tomatoes, egg, and salt. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing great. So, actually, it's not quite long. I wake up. Today is 27th September. So, my daughter, today is my daughter immunization day. So, I want us to, yeah, and today is also public holiday. So, she's not going to school today. So, I want to carry you guys along, okay? So I say, let me do introduction of this video before they will enter this room now and start giving me and start giving me back to back noise. Stay tuned, guys. I love you guys.
Come on, sit down now.
Not connect fast. So my beautiful people, it is 9 p.m. On a baby girl don't want to go to bed. I don't know the one that is hungry me. So I say I must satisfy my craving this night. So in here I have onions, sliced tomatoes, egg, and some. Is this saw what? Okay, soy sauce. So I added little inside this. Okay. So I wanna use it to eat bread. Okay, guys. Settle. Let me satisfy my craving this night. I wanna. So, guys, when I told my husband that that this is what I feel like eating. So, but I was not like, I don't have strength to do it. So he encouraged me that I should go and do it. So and I said, okay, no problem, I will do it. But I'm going to record. You know what? Who beats Mama? So my husband said, he said everything that we must record. I said, Mama, I don't have any other work that I'm doing now. I want to build my channel. Today I was in a live stream where a content creator, hey, if I'm doing the right thing, where a content creator said, just small YouTuber, she's just a small content creator. I feel like I was scatter this thing. She said, she's making $500,000 in a month. She showed us so in the lifestyle. I don't want to mention somebody's name, but she was advising people to be serious. Like when you know that this thing is what you are doing, you don't have any other one. Like take this thing serious. Don't see it as you just want to do it. Just take it serious. When you see those content creators on Facebook, they tell you they're making millions, they're buying car, they're buying house. I don't think they're forging it to my sister, my brothers. So I was telling my husband that let me be serious because I don't have any other work now that I'm doing. And I don't intend to because my kids are still small and I'm still giving birth. So when you see me, it came out perfectly okay. So when you see me showcasing everything I'm doing, don't feel bad. Don't criticize me. Hey. So guys, stay tuned. I have some sliced bread here that I will be using this thing to. See, this video is going to be me satisfying my craving, okay? I saw I saw somebody doing this. I don't know if I'm doing it right. I'm not doing it right, but I'm gonna do it anyhow. I see what I'm doing. Sorry. I see what I'm doing. So I'm carrying the egg. Oh, let me bring the camera in this thing down. I see what I'm doing. So I'm transferring the fried eggs into this bread. Then I'll join it together and put here. Okay. Satisfying my craving. It's not only pregnant people that satisfy their craving, though. And you don't know if I'm pregnant. Yes, so hey, so the bread is finished. So I'll leave this one. Let me just do this one. Okay? Let me satisfy my craving. Gas. Yeah. Let's see what is going to happen. All right. Let me turn to the other side. I won't learn. I did not even learn well. So I turned to the other side. Oh, one bread has scattered. So my people, I've done it the way I know. Hmm? Mm-hmm. I'll off it. It's okay. Mm-mm-mm. Satisfy my craving. Then have your own. Thumbs up the video. So guys, you can come and join me, okay? As you can see, I'm on the high table. Hmm? I'm on the high table, satisfying my craving. Hmm? Daddy, what are you doing? You just want to show your food. You want to snap? Okay, you snap. You fall down. Not that you want to give, but you want to snap. And don't worry. Don't worry, I'll snap you people, yeah? Do your mommy. Let's say bye-bye. So subscribe to my mommy channel. So I'm boiling rice. Today is Sunday morning actually. I didn't go to church, but the kids I didn't go to church, but the kids are going. So let me. I've given them food. Though they eat. They ate cereals. Should I say ate? If I not maybe your leg. Daddy, you stay at home. Say it's good. to tell. Let me say hi. Say hi. Say hi. So the rice is okay. The rice is done, okay? So I'm going to be so I've off the gas. So now I'll take my food and eat because I'm very hungry now. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later, guys. So guys, come and join me, okay? Yeah, let me eat. Come and join me. Oh, I'm not stingy, okay? Join your baby girl. Mm-hmm. It's tasty so yummy, delicious. Next minutes later.